The Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II stealth fighter jet program has been a symbol of modern air power for years. This aircraft is not only designed as a conventional fighter jet, but also as a digital warfare hub capable of connecting various combat systems into a single network. Turkey was once a key partner in the F-35 production chain. Before a single part is produced, the process begins with the digital design phase. Engineers use advanced simulation software to create a lightweight, strong, and radar-evasive aircraft structure. The entire F-35 design is created using a computer-aided design system. This fighter jet uses a combination of titanium, special aluminum, carbon composites, and radar-absorbent materials. Carbon composite materials are used for most of the fuselage because they are lightweight, yet extremely strong. This material helps reduce the aircraft's weight. The next stage is assembling the main frame, or fuselage. This frame is the main bone of the F-35, supporting the entire fuselage structure. The assembly process begins with the assembly of the front, middle, and rear fuselage sections using high-precision automated machines. The F-35's wings have a highly complex design. In addition to generating lift, they also house various sensors, fuel systems, and flight control mechanisms. The wing assembly process is carried out using high-precision automated lifting equipment. The wings are then assembled with the main fuselage. The next stage is the assembly of the fuselage panels. These panels serve to cover the internal structure and create the F-35's distinctive stealth design. The F-35's fuselage panels are made using high-tech composite materials. Each panel is manufactured using precision molds and heated in a high-pressure autoclave. The most complex part of the F-35 production line is the installation of the avionics system. The F-35 is known as the fighter jet with the most advanced sensor fusion capabilities in the world. This aircraft features an AESA radar, infrared sensors, an electronic warfare system, a combat computer, and a digital cockpit display. The most stressful stage in the production line is the installation of the main jet engine. The F-35 uses the Pratt & Whitney F135 engine, one of the most powerful fighter jet engines in the world. This engine is capable of producing incredible thrust, enabling the F-35 to fly supersonic with ease after the entire production process is complete. The F-35 enters the final testing phase. The aircraft is inspected using a sophisticated computer system to ensure all components are functioning perfectly. Technicians test the radar, communication systems, sensors, flight controls, and even the aircraft's stealth capabilities. Even the surface quality of the fuselage is checked using a digital scanner. The F-35 production line demonstrates how modern technology is transforming the military aviation industry. From digital design, the use of advanced materials, the assembly of the main frame, the installation of stealth panels, the assembly of the wings, the integration of intelligent avionics, and the installation of powerful jet engines. Everything is executed with incredible precision. It's no wonder the F-35 is considered one of the most complex fighter jets ever produced. Each unit requires a lengthy process, expensive technology, and rigorous oversight to become a fifth-generation fighter aircraft ready for future warfare. The F-35 Lightning II fighter jet is one of the most advanced fighter jets in the world today. This Lockheed Martin-made aircraft is designed as a fifth-generation fighter jet, with stealth capabilities, intelligent sensors, and modern electronic warfare systems. The F-35 is not only designed for aerial combat, but is also capable of attacking ground targets, conducting reconnaissance, and serving as an information hub on the modern battlefield. The F-35 development program began with the United States Joint Strike Fighter Project, which aims to replace various legacy fighter jets such as the F-16, F/A-18, and AV-8B Harrier. This aircraft comes in three main variants: the F-35A for the Air Force, the F-35B with vertical landing capability for the Marine Corps, and the F-35C for aircraft carrier operations. One of the F-35's key features is its stealth technology. The aircraft's fuselage is specially designed to reflect radar waves in other directions, making it difficult for enemy radar to detect. Furthermore, the F-35's fuselage surface is coated with radar-absorbing material, which helps reduce the aircraft's radar signature. Unlike older fighter jets that carry missiles under the wings, the F-35 stores most of its weapons inside the fuselage. This keeps the aircraft aerodynamic and maintains its stealth capabilities. In modern combat operations, Stealth is crucial because it allows aircraft to penetrate enemy defenses without being easily detected. This is what makes the F-35 so dangerous in strategic strike missions. The F-35 is known as a flying computer because it possesses highly advanced sensor fusion technology. This system combines data from radar, infrared sensors, cameras, electronic warfare systems, and data from other aircraft into a single, unified display for the pilot. The aircraft uses the APG-81 AESA radar, which can detect multiple targets simultaneously with high accuracy. Furthermore, the distributed aperture system DAS consists of 6 infrared cameras that provide a 360-degree view of the aircraft. The pilot can even see through the fuselage through a sophisticated helmet connected to these cameras. The advantage of sensor fusion eliminates the need for pilots to consult multiple screens as in older fighter jets. All information is computer processed and displayed simply so pilots can make faster decisions during combat. The F-35 pilot's helmet is one of the most expensive and modern pieces of equipment in military aviation. This helmet is more than just head protection. It also serves as the pilot's primary information center. Through the helmet visor, pilots can view speed data, target direction, enemy positions, and even real-time video from the aircraft's cameras. This system allows pilots to aim at targets simply by moving their heads. Even at night, pilots can still see their surroundings without the need for additional night vision because the aircraft's camera system is integrated directly into the helmet. The F-35 also possesses highly advanced electronic warfare capabilities. The SQ-39 system can detect enemy radar, jam enemy signals, and even provide early warning of missile threats. In modern warfare, electronic capabilities are as important as weapons. Aircraft capable of jamming enemy radars have a greater chance of survival on the battlefield. The F-35 is even capable of acting as the hub of a digital warfare network. This aircraft can share target data with warships, air defense systems, and other fighter jets in real time. Therefore, many experts call the F-35 not just a fighter jet, but also an air command center.